Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. So how do you use PicsArt for analog film filters? Well, it's going to be really simple. So let's just go ahead on PicsArt. You're just going to click on search here. I'm going to be searching one of their analog presets, so we could use one of that, so we don't go to any extra hassle here. So in here you just basically search the analog. So let's say, for example, you're doing an analog about horror. I've actually done this before. So as you can see, there's a bunch of presets here ready for you to actually use and utilize for your video. So let's just try this one out here. And voila, here you go. You can just basically use this preset here, or aka template, basically, to use on your analogs for horrors or whatever analog you have. They have a lot of analogs for analogs here. So yep, that's just basically it. You can basically add tools here, add text. So yeah, anyways, that will be it for the video. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.